Okay, we're going to start working with the operation of division and polynomials. Okay, so notice this first division problem, you're just dividing a monomial. So one method would be 30p to the fifth. This is, I think, the easiest method, is to put that all over, because remember the fraction bar also means divide, and then factor both the numerator and denominator, everything they have in common. Well, that's p to the fifth, p to the fourth, p cubed, p squared. So at least they all have a p squared in common. So we can factor out top and bottom a p squared. And in the top, that's going to leave a p cubed plus a p squared plus, notice I'm leaving room for the other, for the coefficients there. And when we factor out a p squared out of this, we're left with just 10. So now, what do 30, 4, 5, and 10, do they have anything in common? If they don't, then go ahead. Not all four of them. If this would have been 6, then they all would have shared a 2 in common. But because that's an odd number and it doesn't have any factors other than itself and 1, then we're just going to rewrite all of this down. Now p squared divided by p squared, those cancel, and this polynomial divided by this, divided by 10p squared, this right here is the result. Now, if you're in calculus and you were finding derivatives, you would probably want to break this into 3 separate fractions. So this would be 30p cubed over 10, which simplifies to 3p cubed, plus 4p squared over 10, which simplifies to 2/5 p squared, plus 5p over 10, which simplifies to p divided by 2. So there are certain uses where you would actually want to break this down, but if not, you could leave the final answer like that. All right, let's do the next one. I think the next one is probably, we're going to do some long division. So I'm going to introduce to you long division. So long division, oh, and never mind, I'm going to do that with the next video. All right, that's it for